You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce correctly with the typical Dutch pronunciation and how you can say it in English being more correct, let's say. Once and for all, correctly. So the Dutch pronunciation, how it's pronounced in the Netherlands, is as Mark Rutte. Rutte. Alright, so it's quite easy actually. So Mark, of course you can say Mark. That's, pretty close. Rutte. Yeah, it's a schwa sound. It's an sound. It's not Rutter. Could be Rutter. I guess if it was German, maybe that would be Rutter. But it's not. He's not German. He's the Prime Minister of the Netherlands. Mark Rutte. Rutte. Mark Rutte. Therefore, in English, say it simply. English pronunciation, Mark Rutte. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.